Istanbul, a city where continents collide. This unique metropolis straddles both Europe and Asia, offering a blend of cultures and histories that is truly unparalleled. Ancient history meets modern energy. The iconic Hagia Sophia stands as a testament to the city's rich past, while the bustling streets showcase its vibrant present. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets, each turn revealing a new treasure. From hidden cafes to quaint shops, every corner has a surprise waiting for you. Prepare to be captivated by the vibrant spirit of Istanbul. The city never sleeps with its lively nightlife and bustling day scenes. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the pulse of the city. The energy is palpable. Whether you're at the airport or the train station, the air thrums with the sounds of life, the call to prayer, the laughter of children, the murmur of conversation in 100 languages. It's a symphony of human experience. Istanbul is a feast for the senses, a place where every corner has a story to tell. The vibrant colors, the rich aromas, and the historical architecture all come together to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you wander through the bustling markets, haggling for unique treasures, or find solace in a serene mosque where time seems to stand still, Istanbul will leave an unforgettable mark on your soul. The sunsets over the skyline are nothing short of magical, casting a golden glow over the city's landmarks. So, lace up your walking shoes, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey. Every step you take in this city will be a step into a new story, a new experience, a new wonder. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths and discover Istanbul's hidden gems. Tucked away in quiet corners, these secret spots offer a glimpse into the city's authentic heart. Explore the Balat neighborhood, a historic Jewish quarter with colorful buildings and a bohemian vibe. Wander through the ateliers of local artisans and savor the aroma of freshly baked bread. Discover the Süleymaniye Hammam, a hidden oasis of tranquility where you can indulge in the traditional Turkish bath experience. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of Fener, the old Greek quarter. Here, you'll find ancient churches, charming cafes, and a sense of timeless beauty. As you explore these hidden corners, you'll uncover the true essence of Istanbul. No trip to Istanbul is complete without experiencing the vibrant energy of its markets. These markets are not just places to shop, but vibrant hubs of culture and history. The Grand Bazaar, a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops, is a sensory overload. It's one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, dating back to the 15th century. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, the clatter of tea glasses, and the hum of bargaining. Every corner you turn reveals a new sight, sound, or smell. Get lost in the maze of colorful stalls, each one overflowing with treasures. From intricate textiles to handcrafted jewelry, there's something for everyone. Haggle for carpets, ceramics, and jewelry, or simply soak up the atmosphere. The art of bargaining is a tradition here, and part of the fun. For a more local experience, head to the spice market. This market, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar, is a bit smaller but equally enchanting. Here you'll find mounds of fragrant spices, dried fruits, nuts, and Turkish delight. The vibrant colors and rich scents are truly captivating. Be sure to sample some Turkish coffee or apple tea as you browse the stalls. These traditional drinks offer a taste of local hospitality. The markets of Istanbul are a feast for the senses and a window into the city's soul. They offer a unique glimpse into the daily life and traditions of this vibrant city. Amidst the bustling streets and crowded markets, Istanbul offers tranquil escapes. Duck into a charming cafe and savor the simple pleasures of Turkish coffee and conversation. Find a table at a traditional tea garden and relax with a glass of kay or tea and a slice of baklava. Watch the world go by as you sip your drink and enjoy the company of locals. For a truly unique experience, visit one of Istanbul's historic cisterns. These underground chambers, once used to store water, are now serene spaces perfect for contemplation. Take a moment to escape the city's rhythm and find peace in the heart of Istanbul. Section 5. The spiritual heart of Istanbul. Istanbul's skyline is punctuated by the elegant minarets of its mosques, a testament to the city's rich Islamic heritage. Step inside these architectural wonders and witness the beauty of Islamic art and design. The Blue Mosque, with its cascading domes and stunning blue Iznik tiles, is a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. The Süleymaniye Mosque, another architectural gem, offers panoramic views of the city from its hilltop location. Remember to dress respectfully when visiting mosques, covering your shoulders and knees. Remove your shoes before entering the prayer hall, and take a moment to appreciate the tranquility and beauty of these sacred spaces. Section 6. A tapestry of cultures. Istanbul has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries, and its rich cultural heritage is evident everywhere you look. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Visit the Istanbul archaeological museums to discover artifacts from Turkey's long and fascinating history. Attend a traditional Turkish shadow puppet show, a form of entertainment dating back to the Ottoman era. Experience the thrill of a Turkish bath, a tradition that has been enjoyed for centuries. From ancient ruins to modern art, Istanbul offers a fascinating journey through time and culture. Section 7. Istanbul, a feast for the senses. Istanbul is a city that tantalizes all your senses, offering a unique blend of the old and the new. The aroma of spices wafts from the markets, drawing you in with their exotic scents. The sound of traditional music fills the air, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere. The taste of Turkish delight lingers on your tongue, a sweet reminder of the city's rich culinary heritage. Indulge in the rich flavors of Turkish cuisine, where every dish tells a story. Savor the savory taste of kebabs, the freshness of meze, and the delightful combination of flavors. The sweetness of baklava is a perfect ending to any meal, a true delight for your taste buds. Don't forget to try the local street food, which offers a quick and delicious way to experience the city's flavors, such as simit, which are sesame-covered bread rings, and doner kebab, a popular and flavorful choice. Let the vibrant colors and patterns of Turkish carpets and ceramics captivate your eyes, each piece a work of art. To the bold hues, these crafts reflect the rich cultural heritage of Turkey. Turkish art is a feast for the eyes, showcasing the creativity and talent of its people. As the sun sets over the Bosphorus, the city transforms, offering a breathtaking view that completes this sensory journey. Section 8. Discover your own Istanbul. Istanbul is a city that begs to be explored. Wander through its ancient streets, soak up its vibrant culture, and create your own unforgettable memories. Whether you're captivated by history, enchanted by beauty, or drawn to adventure, Istanbul has something to offer everyone. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let Istanbul work its magic on you. Discover the city's hidden gems, embrace its vibrant spirit, and create your own Istanbul story.